Hello dear friends, I invite you to crochet ribbon lace cord. My ribbon lace cord that consists of combination of leaf and small flower, and in this case you can use it like brooch or earring. Also in this video you will see how to make lace ribbon. For this one I used 100% mercerized cotton yarn and 1.4 millimeters crochet hook. This is the second example that made of 55% cotton yarn and 45 polyacrylic. There is a trim around the cord ribbon. The trim is reverse single crochet. In this video you will see how to crochet combination of leaf and flower. Then you should improvise and decide what you would make the next. They are chain spaces between flowers, so I did double crochet in these chain spaces, then reverse single crochet. You can do single crochet. This depends on where you will use such project. It can be used for decoration, handband, cuff for sleeves, and you can also add a beads and you will get amazing bracelet. All this depends on your wish. Please don't be afraid to experiment. Crocheting is always an art, so please use your imagination. This is my own pattern. You can find some videos with such kind of motifs on my YouTube channel. Please join me and you will know how to make it step by step. Please don't forget to like my videos and write comment below the video what you will get. For my current project, I will be using 55% cotton yarn and 45% acrylic yarn and 2 millimeters crochet hook. I will prefer blue color of yarn. You can use any color of yarn. Also, I remind you, you can crochet the trim for your cord, and as a result you will get amazing project. For work, I will be using 1.4 millimeters crochet hook and 100% mercerized cotton yarn, 169 meters in 50 grams. And also you can use 2 millimeters crochet hook, 55% cotton and 45% polyacrylic. Let's crochet the cord. Make a chain. I pull a little bit. Then chain more. So I'm going to work with stitches that I'm doing into this chain stitch. Then I will create a trim on these stitches. Then chain of 7 for the chain space. Well done. Yarn over the hook twice. And let's crochet the base for the flower. Insert the hook into the first chain stitch from the knot and make treble crochet, not finish. Make double crochet into the same chain stitch, not finish. Then double crochet into the same chain stitch and treble crochet into the same stitch, not finish, and pull through all loops on the hook. So I have done the cluster made of 4 stitches. The base for the flower is ready. Make a chain of 2, Let's stop and I will show you the direction in crocheting. Now I'm working by spiral direction. I begin from this stitch, continue with the opposite side, then work with 2 in the middle, then in backwards direction. So let's start to crochet my flower. Make 7 single crochet into each stitch. Let's count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. I have done 7 single crochet. Work with opposite side. Make 7 single crochet. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Well done. Now I'm working with next stitch. Make 7 single crochet. Insert the hook into the stitch. Make 7 single crochet. As you notice, I'm making the big amount of stitches to make a spiral. Here how it looks in the ready project. And I move back, make 7 single crochet. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7. So I have done 7 single crochet. Turn the work, make 7 single crochet into the next stitch. Let's count them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7. Well done. So my base is almost ready. And now I show you how to crochet the reverse single crochet trim. I will begin and you will continue by yourself. Make a chain. Insert the hook into the first stitch. Make reverse single crochet. 1, 2, 3, 4. So continue working in this way till the end of this round. You should work in spiral direction. Then you should work till the 2 chains that I did at the beginning of this round. So I will show you what we will do next. As you can see, my reverse single crochet trim is ready. Here what I have got 2 chains. Insert the hook into the chain stitch, make reverse single crochet. I turn the work and as you can see 7 chain space. Make single crochet into this chain space. And now I show you how to crochet the base for my leaf. Now I stop at this point. I'm stop at this point, and let's look at the middle part of the flower. Now I'm going to turn a little bit the middle part. This is the end of the first part of my composition, that is consist of flower. Then I will go to make a leaf, and I continue working on my composition. I turn the work to the back side, make a chain of 7, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Well done. Yarn over the hook, insert the hook into the chain space, make double crochet, not finish, insert the hook into the same chain space, pull up a loop, pull through 2 loops, and pull through all loops on the hook. My base for the leaf is ready. This is the back side of the flower. Chain of 2 and turn the work to the front side. Then I'm working with trim. So my leaf consists of 2 halves. I will work with both of them. I will begin from this side and continue working with the next one. Turn the work, insert the hook into the double crochet. So make 6 double crochet, not finish, into this stitch. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. I have done 6 double crochet, not finish. Then yarn over, pull through first loop, then I'm going pull through 2 loops, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. I turn the work, I remove the hook, insert the hook into the 2 loops from the another side. The working loop is behind the work. Make 6 double crochet, not finish, and I'm working with the second half. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. I hold all loops with my finger, pull through first loop, then pull through 2 loops, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. I have got 3 loops on the hook, then make chain of 3. Insert the hook into 2 loops, make a slip stitch, then make chain of 7 for the chain space. Before we continue, I will stop and we look at my composition that consists of spiral flower and leaf or heart. So you can use such composition to create earring, pendant, Or continue working with this composition and create belt, bracelet, necklace, or handband or cuff for sleeves. So I continue working on my cord ribbon. Now I show you how to crochet the next base for my flower. Please don't forget to subscribe to my page or channel. Follow me in social media and of course crochet with me and learn more. I remind you, this is my own pattern. I turn the work to the back side. Now I'm working into this chain space. Make a chain of 7. One, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Then yarn over the hook twice. Insert the hook into the chain space. Pull up a loop, pull through 2 loops twice. I do not finish this stitch. Then double crochet not finish into the same chain space. And double crochet into the same chain space. I do not finish this stitch. And treble crochet not finish into the same chain space. I do not finish this stitch as well. So pull through all loops on the hook. Then chain of 2. And I'm working with single crochet by spiral direction. I will begin and you should continue by yourself. Make single crochet, let's count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7. And turn the work. Work with treble crochet. Make 7 single crochet. Let's count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Work with this stitch, continue with the next one. So as a result you will get the same flower as I did before. So you should continue working in the same way as I showed you in this video tutorial as many times as you need. Let's look at my combination that consists of flower made of spiral and leaf or heart that consists of 2 halves. And for demonstration I have made ribbon cord using 2 kinds of yarn. In the first case I used 100% mercerized cotton yarn, and in the second example I used 55% cotton yarn and 45% polyacrylic. If you would like to make the composition that consists of leaf and flower, so this example can be perfect to create earring or brooch for your handband or your bag, or also can be perfect to create keychains. So I said before, I used 100% mercerized cotton yarn for this example and 1.4 millimeter crochet hook. And for the next one I used 55% cotton and 45% polyacrylic and 2 millimeter crochet hook. You can find a lot of more my own patterns on my channel. See you in the next step-by-step video tutorials. It was Elena Rugal. Bye. See you.